Now we can take out our motherboard. Okay. We'll lift out, and we're going to replace that. And now you want to disconnect the cable harness and remove the 4 screws on the top plate. And as you lift it up, just slide that harness right through. And now you have access to the motherboard. At this point here, I'm checking the cables, make sure I have a good connection, they're not pushed up, push them down. Now, we don't recommend replacing just a SATA. We recommend replacing the motherboard with a new style. And the way to do that is you're going to lift the unit up, and underneath there's 2 screws that hold that SATA in. Just unscrew those. Okay, that's loose now. You can disconnect those cables. That's your USB cable, lift that up. And I'm going to snip the cable tie. And you're going to lift up the black momentary switch connector. I'm going to snip this tie here. And now you can remove the 4 corner screws that hold the motherboard to the chassis. Now that the screws are out, you can slide the motherboard back away from the faceplate and lift it up, and then just disconnect that black and white power cable that runs down to the power supply. And the motherboard is out.